Now let's see in action and go to the face recognition to the watch list area, and let's create a new watch list. So we are creating a watch list called Most Wanted, and we want to upload multiple identities at once. We can either drag photos here or browse. In this case, I will browse and I'll select those 4 images. They're different identities. They were now processed by the system and they are showing here. So as you can see, some of the faces here have 3 stars, but this face here doesn't have any star. The system wasn't able to detect the face. Although it looks like you know this person here, it's too blurry to be able to tell us that to be used with facial recognition. So what we will need to do before the ability to continue here, we will need to select this person, delete her from the watch list, and now we can continue and save our Most Wanted watch list. If I now go ahead and also add another person for which I have several photos, so it's the same identity, and I have those 2 photos, and this is the same person here. So now I have 2 examples for a particular person. And when I click save, they'll be saved under one identity. So I have 3 different identities with 1 face example, and 1 identity with 2 faces, with 2 face examples, right? Those 2 faces here.